Hi everyone! Welcome to Blender Studio. In this video we learn how we can bake materials in Blender. I make this simple material. So first we need to add an image texture node to bake the procedural texture and create a new image on which our material baked. And you can set the resolution. The higher the resolution, the more detailed image will be. And if you do not have any transparency, you can just uncheck the alpha. And then we also need to open a new window and go into UV editor and open a created image. And be careful your UVs are inside the image because the outsided UVs are not baked, and also both your image and model selected before baked. Then we go to render properties, switch to cycles so that we can bake the procedural texture. Then go down to bake. And in this video, we just bake diffuse texture. And then uncheck direct and indirect and just check the color. And then click on bake. And it's going to start baking. It takes some time, and after that you will receive a texture. Now we have an image texture. We can connect it to our material instead of using procedural material. You can also save the baked image by going up to Image, Save As, and then save the image. Thanks for watching this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye-bye.